Chof Ches Omed Beis. Malkum Shenahag would light Malacha b'Tisha B'Av Oisim. If it's a minute to do Malacha and Tisha B'Av, you do. Moshe Hag should lay lights as Ein Oisim. B'Chol Malkum Tamid Chacham b'Teilim. Tamid Chacham should not do a work on Tisha B'Av. Everybody should imagine he's a Talmud Chacham and nobody should do any work on Tisha B'Av. Reb Oven of Shimon Melokish B'Shem Yudin Asiya Kimasmiya. This not meant literally. It's that Shimon Galil is trying to wonder. Come on, is this a good idea? It should be a bottle. It should be a hoilich bottle in Tisha B'Av. No. If you're Talmud Chacham, I guess you can handle it. But a regular person should not, Adarabah, should not do it. Here we go to the Iker Isser of Asiyas Malacha on Erev Pesach. So he says like this: Yehuda Isser Malacha b'Erev Pesach Matzos. In Yehuda, there was a minig, or actually, you want to say that's halacha. They did a malacha at Chatzos, but God isn't called Iker. They didn't do it at all. Halayla Shamayim Oisram Mesil Matirim Ashtar Tzacham. So according to this Mahalach, the Gemara Bavli explains it's not minig, it's Isser. In other words, they were arguing in these two, Gola and Yehuda, if there's an Isser to do a Malach on Erev Pesach, not a minig, but it's Isser. And even at night, according to Beshamai, it's Asr to do. So you ask right away, Hayoim Asr? You say that day is Kulam Moed is Asr, right? Because of Shem, Yoim Pesach Ul Hashem, yeah. It has like a shame of Pesach, just like Pesach is Asr Basiyas Malacha, the same Erev Pesach is Asr, because it's called Pesach. Yanka Ba'achev Hashem B'yechanan, it's two different Talmidim. One of them said the Lashon Minig, one of them said Lashon of Isa V'Heter. There's actually three shittas: Chadam Asa, Chadam Mutter, Chadam Minig. That's how it works now. Because there's one shitta that holds that it's Asa Ikar Din, that's people from Galil, and the other shitta from Yehuda say Mutter. And the third is the Mishnah before that says that it's not Osir and Mitter, it's just there's a minig, and people have the minig, obviously have to follow the minig. So it's a third shitta on this whole thing of not doing a malacha and Erev Pesach. So he's talking about, let's say there's an Isser or there's a minig. How about you start something before the 14th day if you're allowed to finish it on the 14th? L'chayr is talking before Chatzos. That's the Mishnah is talking more in that area here. So what's the question if you're allowed to finish it? However, he's not allowed to start, even though he can finish it before Chatzos, he's not allowed to start anything from new on the 14th day. They're allowed to do Malacha and Erev Pesachim. Which one? Chayatim, the tailors, Saparim, the barbers, the koifsim, and the launders, the shoemakers. The Mishnah says you're allowed to finish something on the 14th. It means it's tzorech hamoed. That's what also means afila doshi tzorech hamoed. You cannot start to do that work on the 14th day. Chachamim say shalosh minutes oitzim locher epsach. Which three? Chatim the tailors can help you to play for exactly b'chodesh hamoed. Since we find a heter, so we use that heter here also that you can do it erev Pesach. Hasaparim sheken nazirim mitzarom megalchem b'moed. So we find the heter somewhere else. That's why they can use this heter also. All these halachas are Masechta Moed Cotton. You see there certain things that are matter for them to do in Malach and Chodesh Hamoed. People the shoes got ruined on the way. They used to fix it on Chodesh Hamoed. But no, that's not a problem. They always used the animals, so they didn't ruin their shoes. But anyway, again, it's mashma. Pashtas advarim. All of this is only we're talking about before Chatzos. All of this that heter and all these things that chayatim. Even though we can argue that maybe the other things, the other three money is allowed to do even after chatzos. But the Mishnah is not clear here because it starts off with the whole subject is talking about before chatzos, and then it slips into a different subject about since you do a malacha b'chedesh hamoed, you're allowed to do it that's even after chatzos. But it's not clear. It's not clear. We could say it only means before chatzos. There's no minig because we find the heter even in Chol Hamoed itself. So we could learn actually everything talking before chatzos here. We could say that. Then that's quite plausible that this is what the Mishnah means here. So now up to Chav Ches Amud Beis. This is the end of this stuff.